Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrc, and I got yet another RC truck to unbox for you guys today. This is a 1/16 scale electric powered four-wheel drive truck. It's called the Ravage, and it's from Loolinn. I want to thank those guys for sending me this truck. Let's take a closer look. It's got a really good looking graphic on the front of the box, and on the side of the box shows you all the options available for the truck. And on this side of the box, it does say it's ready to run, comes in colors orange or blue, but it does say at the bottom of the box that colors and descriptions may vary. Okay, let's get this truck out of the box, and you guys want to hang out till the end of the video because we're going to test this truck at 997 Raceway on their off-road course and see how it handles the jumps. Let's get this opened up. Truck's packed very well. It has cardboard on each side. Lift the truck right out. The truck looks really nice, and we're going to be taking a closer look in just a second. Let's see what else is in the box. First things first, it does have an instruction manual, and I suggest reading everything inside the manual before you get started. It's got a sticker sheet. It does come with a very simple, easy to use transmitter. It has a steering wheel. Underneath that, you have your throttle control. On the bottom of the transmitter, you have a door. Slide that over like that. You will need to install two AA batteries. That does not come with the truck. And on the back of the transmitter, you'll see two knobs. One is for your steering trim, the other one for your throttle trim, and underneath that you have an on-off switch. Mine came with an extra bag that has the LED lights. Comes with some extra body clips, and the truck does come with a USB charger and a 7.4 volt 1000 milliamp hour LiPo battery. Plug the USB charger into any USB connection, and when charging you will see a blinking red and green light, and when it's fully charged you will see a solid green light. Now we can take a close look at the truck, and it looks pretty good. It's got a black, silver, and orange graphic, but it looks a little hazed over. That's because it's got a protective coating. So we'll remove this plastic here and see what the truck looks like with that off. Got the plastic coating off the truck, and it's got a really nice shine to it. The colors really pop. The orange beadlock rings look really good on this truck. Tires feel soft, although a little bit hard plastic, but doesn't feel like there's any foam inside the tires. If we remove the body, the chassis we can see is made of plastic. Shocks are made of plastic. Doesn't feel like there's any oil inside the shocks, although there is metal shock springs on the shocks, and it looks like plenty of travel. Looks like we have a brushed motor and an ESC electronic speed controller receiver tied all into one. And we have a servo. Right behind the servo, we have a Velcro strap. That's where you install the battery. Has differentials on the front and rear. It's not locked for any posi traction, anything like that. And it looks like you have a lot of steering in the front wheels. It does have plastic bumpers on the front and rear. If we look underneath the chassis, we can see it's real nice and smooth, so it should climb over top of stuff like grass and rocks. And on the side of the chassis, you will see an on-off button. You will need to turn on the transmitter first and then press this button here, and that will turn on the truck, and then you'll be ready to go. All right, we got our batteries inside the transmitter, and we have our LiPo battery inside the truck. Turn on the transmitter. Push on the button on the side of the chassis. You'll see a blue light blink. Turn solid blue. Turn the wheel. We got steering left and right. And we have throttle. We're ready to go. Okay, with everything all together, it seems a little bouncy. Truck's all ready to go. We're not sure how it's going to handle these big jumps at 997 Raceway. Let's go find out.
There we go.
Sweet. I really am impressed the way this truck handled that off-road track at 997 Raceway. I want to thank those guys for letting us hang out there and give this truck a try on their track. It was pretty cool. But this truck here really did exceed my expectations. I thought with the soft suspension that it wouldn't do quite as well, but it handled the big jumps and the off-road course great. Really am impressed by this. I'll leave all the information in the description box for you guys, so that way you can check it all out, see if you'd like to get one yourself. Don't forget you can join my Facebook group. That's the Ovalrc, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. I'm Mark with the Ovalrc. We'll see you next time.